Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Isn't it amazing how throw pillows just make the whole room look entirely different? I decided to try out these gorgeous throw pillows. These are from HAUSSY Design, and I absolutely am in love with how soft they are, with the beautiful color, and really, who doesn't love corduroy fabric? This is a set of 2 pillow covers. You can see that it is that bright green. They are super soft and luxurious feeling. They have a zipper that is in the middle on the back, making them really easy to remove your throw pillow, and you can wash them very easily as well. These pillows are so soft. I really love that. I was looking for a true Kelly green type of fabric, and that is exactly what these are. They add in such a beautiful bright earth element to my sofa area. It was exactly what I was looking for. They fit snugly around the pillows, but they still feel super soft and cozy, and they're just so gorgeous for the living room area. I'm so happy that they are well stitched, and they just make the sofa and the living room area all come together. And that's my point of view.